I'm Tara Moore, I'm at Gloucestershire College and I work for GE Aviation in Cheltenham. I chose the apprenticeship route because I already had work experience and decided that whilst I did my work, I wanted to learn at the same time. And I understood that doing a degree route wasn't really going to work for me. So I decided that I'd have a look at my other options and assess which was going to be the best route. My parents were obviously going to be supportive with any choice that I make, but at first there was almost a stigmatism around why you're applying for an apprenticeship, because obviously they think of an apprenticeship previously as working with men in an environment that's dirty and greasy, wearing overalls. But actually when I told them a bit more about it, they were completely 100% behind me. And then when I obviously went back to my lecturers, they gave me all the input as well. They told me where I could improve, how my application would be better if I looked at it this way. I took my time on it, and from there it just kind of soared through the process itself.
My name is Andrew Williams and I currently complete the Higher Engineering Apprenticeship at Gloucester College and I work at GE Aviation. So a typical day within my job role would include rotations. So we would be tasked with projects and we would do various activities within GE Aviation.
We have a lot of development within our first year, so it's more about how we are working as individuals and soft skill development. So we do a lot of volunteering events to develop as we are as individuals and personal growth, soft skills. So it's about being able to communicate with people how we work as people and ourselves.
The value that the apprentices bring to the company is that we are a flexible workforce that can quickly jump to fight fires wherever there are issues within the projects. If a project is particularly overworked or requiring new staff, we can go in there with our broad range of skills and help out.
With the higher apprenticeship, because you are working in industry, it tends to be 1 day a week whereby we cover their degree program and also prepare them for work in industry.
As higher engineering apprentices, we're actually paid on a similar wage level to a graduate scheme. So that is obviously a great impetus for us because we're not seen as a bog standard apprenticeship, which is obviously a great influence for everyone. And there are many other benefits to being GE. They're interested in making us a chartered engineer, so there's all those costs that go towards that they actually pay for us to develop, which benefits us as professionals, but it actually benefits GE in that they're getting more chartered engineers within their company, which for professionalism is key.
So my future aspirations are to move up within the company and possibly become a manager. I find that the apprenticeship has helped me get there through the various activities that we have to complete, such as the volunteering where we communicate with different people and leading a team. So I find that the skills that we learn now within the apprenticeship will lead on to me becoming a manager and actually using those skills.
Through GE, we will learn different sections of our business. So we aren't just stuck or limited to one area. And I'm looking forward to being able to develop all my knowledge in that I can then pick as many routes as I want to. But I'd like to take my experience at the end of this job and 5 years to maybe a management level or in at least a project level that I'd be quite comfortable with, but still raising the bar.